Today I'll be talking about subnet mask. Subnet mask is a value given to a computer to identify network host bits in an IP address. For example, 0.0.0.0.255.255.255. It's similar to an IP address. It's represented in a dotted decimal format. This is a mandatory parameter during IP address configuration, i.e., ITEL company will give you the first three numbers as 733. And then they will give you the other number as 9173751. That is the host number, and the first three is the network network host, and that is a constant, a regular number, while the other one changes. It's localized. An example to be given is, for example, 10.0.0.2. That's an IP address. How do you classify that into subnets and the first IP? So I'm going to explain that by this example. It's on a class A. The network bits of any class A is network bits. It's constantly 8 network bits, and the host is 24. The subnet mask of this is 255.0.0.0. The subnet mask in slash will be identical to the network bits, which is /8. The first IP will be 10.0.0.0 because this is just almost like the beginning, and anything coming after that will be added 0.1 and so forth and so forth. And so the last IP, which is very easily calculated, put in the IP address under the subnet mask, and wherever you see 255, you recognize it, and you put the value above it, and when you see 0, you do the opposite. And so for this, for the last IP, we have 10.255.255.255, and the value of the number of valid IPs will be 2 to the power of h being the host the network bits minus 2, and that will give you the number of valid IPs.